for me, the most moving object of the exhibition were the 2 woolen gloves, which were left out on Beechy Island under a rock to dry. Beechy Island was where the expedition spent its first winter in the Arctic. The gloves are really beautiful, partly because they've got very delicate little love hearts embroidered on their palms. I find it really fascinating that they're both left-handed. Why did someone take 2 left-handed gloves with them? We did notice when we were actually installing the gloves that one is slightly bigger than the other. We were fantasising about whether or not the gloves were actually a gift from a lover before the expedition set sail. We don't know who their owners were or what happened to them, but it's very clear that some of these objects probably had huge sentimental value.